What is a scaffolding accident? Scaffolding accidents are a significant concern in the construction industry, especially in the United States, where construction workers face high risks. Scaffolding, an essential part of many construction sites, can lead to severe injuries and fatalities when accidents occur. According to data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, around 65% of construction workers use scaffolding on the job, and each year, approximately 60 lives are lost, with 4,500 injuries resulting from scaffolding-related accidents. These incidents can result in immense pain, lost wages, and financial challenges for victims. Consulting with a New York City scaffold accident attorney is an essential step to seek the compensation necessary for recovery. Legal aspects of scaffolding accidents. Scaffolding accidents, particularly in New York City, are often addressed under strict legal regulations, primarily through New York Labor Law Section 240, known as the Scaffold Law. This law holds contractors, owners, and other responsible parties accountable for scaffolding-related injuries and fatalities if safety violations contribute to an accident. These regulations aim to ensure that workers have a safe environment, and failure to meet these safety standards can lead to significant legal consequences for construction companies. To comply with these requirements, New York law mandates measures such as guardrails, secure attachments, and fall arrest systems, depending on the type and height of scaffolding. Victims pursuing claims under the Scaffold Law must prove that safety regulations were breached and that this breach directly caused the accident. The law can be complex, and establishing fault in these cases requires a precise understanding of both construction safety standards and legal processes. Legal support from a skilled scaffold accident lawyer is crucial in navigating this landscape and advocating for victims' rights. Top causes of scaffolding accidents. Scaffolding accidents often result from specific safety failures, which can generally be prevented with proper precautions and adherence to OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, standards. Common causes of these accidents include defective or improperly constructed scaffolds. Scaffolds that are poorly designed, manufactured, or assembled may collapse, leading to severe injuries. Unsafe securing methods, missing attachments, and inadequate guardrails also contribute to such accidents. Lack of training and safety equipment. Workers need professional training for working on scaffolding, particularly regarding fall protection and hazard awareness. Missing or improperly maintained safety equipment, such as harnesses, further increases accident risk. Inadequate maintenance. Scaffolding must undergo regular inspection and upkeep to maintain structural integrity. If poorly maintained, factors like weak planks, missing pins, or slippery surfaces can lead to hazardous conditions. Falling objects and overloaded scaffolds. Tools, debris, or other materials falling from scaffolds can cause serious injuries. Overloading scaffolding also creates collapse risks, particularly if the load exceeds the scaffold's weight limits. Addressing these root causes requires a combination of proper design, diligent inspection, effective training, and adherence to established safety standards, all aimed at protecting construction workers from preventable injuries. How scaffolding accidents are handled in New York. When scaffolding accidents occur, workers may have several legal options for pursuing compensation. Primarily, victims may seek recovery through workers' compensation, personal injury lawsuits, or claims under New York's Scaffold Law. In cases of negligence, the injured worker might pursue a personal injury lawsuit if a third party is liable, separate from their employer. For Scaffold Law claims, workers must demonstrate that a safety violation directly contributed to the accident. Successful claims can result in financial compensation for medical costs, lost wages, and pain and suffering. Scaffolding accidents pose serious risks to construction workers, underscoring the importance of legal measures and safety regulations. For anyone impacted by a scaffolding accident, understanding their legal rights and options is critical. Contact L Sanchez Law Office, PC, for professional guidance at 646-701-7990, or visit us at 3763 83rd Street #1 meter, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372, United States, to discuss your case with a dedicated attorney.